Okay, let's move on to the parabola. Okay. Yung parabola natin ay may tinatawag tayong parabola opens upward, parabola opens downward, and parabola opens to the right, and parabola opens to the left. Okay, so bali apat yan yung klase ng ating parabola. Ngayon, kung sa center, ay sa circle, ay ang tinatawag natin sa pinaka-origin ay center, sa parabola naman, tinatawag yung pinaka-center nila ay ang tawag dyan is the vertex. Vertex. This is what we call the minimum point of the parabola. Maximum point. Ano. Okay. So, in parabola, we have a two equation given that the vertex is at 0, 0. Okay, kung sa circle may tinatawag tayong center at 0, 0 at ang ginagamit nating equation ay, anong ginagamit natin? X squared plus y squared, gagalaw mo, y squared is equal to r squared. Gagalaw. And then, kapag ang ating sa circle, kapag ang center natin ay h and k, ang ginagamit nating equation sa standard form ay, wait lang, mahirap mag-type, ay magsulat. X minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. And then, yung general form ng ating circle ay, para makita nyo yung difference nila, ay x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Okay? Malinaw na yung ating circle. Ngayon, let's move on to the parabola. Kung sa circle ay may 0, 0 at ang equation is x squared plus y squared is equal to r squared, sa ating parabola, kapag ang vertex is at 0, 0, dalawa yung equation. That is, i-resin natin. That is y squared is equal to 4px. And then, yung isa natin is x squared is equal to 4py. Vice versa. Okay? Ngayon, yung y squared is equal to 4px if the parabola with the horizontal axis of symmetry. Ano yon? Ano yung itsura ng ating parabola dyan? Kapag yung equation natin is y squared is equal to 4px, kapag ang itsura ng parabola mo is opens to the right or opens to the left. Okay? Ito yung ating equation. Ngayon, kapag x squared is equal to 4py, ang equation natin, if the parabola with the vertical axis of symmetry. Ano yung horizontal axis of symmetry dito sa y squared is equal to 4px? Ito yung pinaghatian. Yan yun. Ito yun. Okay, halimbawa, ito yung ating parabola. This is what we call the axis of symmetry. Okay? And then, kapag paiga naman, yung parabola natin, this is the axis of symmetry. Tandaan ninyo na sa y squared is equal to 4px, kapag ang axis of symmetry natin is horizontal. So therefore, ang itsura ng parabola natin opens to the right or opens to the left. Ngayon, yung x squared is equal to 4py kapag ang parabola mo opens upward or downward. Kasi yung axis of symmetry mo is vertical. Yan, ito, vertical. Vertical. Okay? This is the vertex if our vertex is at 0, 0. Okay? Paano yung vertex at 0, 0? Halimbawa, ganito. Nasa 0, 0 yung pinaka-vertex natin. Yan, nandito. Paano kung opens to the right naman? Ganyan naman. Opens to the left, ganun naman ang itsura. opens downward. Ganyan. Ngayon, kapag ang vertex mo ay wala na sa 0, 0, HK na siya, ano yung HK? Any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Ang magiging itsura ng ating parabola ay wala na siya sa pinaka-vertex or origin ng ating coordinate plane. Pwedeng, ang parabola mo is nandito na sa kabila, ganyan, or ganito. We don't know. Basta wala na siya dun sa pinaka-center ng ating Cartesian plane. Okay? Let's have an example number 1. Example number 1. Alisin na natin yung circle kasi malinaw na yung circle, di ba? Oh, na-erase din yung ano. Parabola.
Wala na ko yung ano.
Periskin. 5. 215 ko no.
May tagal malay.
Kwanta?
Oo,
Labaryas ba siya? Ano, yung ano, pinalit niya yung walang seal nung ano. Gusto nila daw yung naka-plastic. Yung reseller ata nila. Wala. Ano, yung toner. Hindi, yung toner niya, walang plastic. Kaya pinalitan lang namin. Naganap kami ng naka-seal na ano. Sa maarte ko no, may mga salud. Natano ba? Saan na tayo no? Talusan mo uwi? Naisul? Kung dudong
Paano kapag yung vertex ano?
wala siya sa ano? Mamaya, nasa ano muna tayo? Vertex 00, isa-isa muna. Kasi pag sinama ko na yung vertex at HK, ganyan na iba na yung equation.
Iba yung formula na.
Oo, parang ganun sa circle. Di ba ang equation pag center is 0, 0, x squared plus y squared. Ani? Okay, let's continue. Example number 1 in the vertex at 0, 0. We're still in the parabola. Okay, example number 1 natin to parabola. Nasa parabola na tayo. Okay, vertex at 0, 0. Example number 1. What if I have a equation y squared is equal to 28x? Gagalaw sa lamisan yun. Example number 1. Y squared is equal to 28x. Anong gagawin dyan? Given the equation, okay, sabi dyan, find the coordinates of the focus and the equation of the directrix for each parabola. Then draw the parabola, its focus, and directrix. So yung given natin is y squared is equal to 28x. Given this equation, we need to find kung ano yung gagamitin nating equation. Ito ba o ito? Obviously, dahil naka-equate siya ng y squared, ang gagamitin natin is y squared is equal to 4px. So, y squared is equal to 4px. And then, anong gagawin dyan? We all know that the equation is y squared is equal to 28x. Isa-substitute mo yung value ng y squared sa given equation. That is, 28x is equal to 4px. So obviously na ang magiging itsura dapat ng ating graph is ganito. It's either opens to the right or left. Hindi up and down. Kasi ang ginamit natin equation is this one. Bakit ito yung ginamit natin? Kasi naka-equate na yung given equation natin na as that. Y squared is equal to 4px. And then, we need to find the value of p. So, i-divide natin both sides ng 4x para makancel. Maiwan si p. 4 over x. So, our p will be, cancel, p is 7. Our p is 7. And then, after finding p, we all know p is one of the coordinates of our focus. Okay? Our focus. So, what will be our focus? Our focus will be at P0. Okay, kapag ang vertex is 0, 0, so therefore, ang focus natin is 7, 0. Okay? And then, what if the directrix? Paano ko hinahanap yung directrix? Paano hanapin ang directrix? Yung opposite ng ating P. Anong opposite ng positive 7? That is negative 7. So, our directrix is negative 7. Is negative 7. Okay. We all know dahil positive ito, positive yung P natin, nakadepende kay P kung anong itsura ng ating graph. Dahil si P ay positive, therefore, opens to the right or opens to the left ang ating parabola. Siyempre, to the right ay mga positive. Okay? So, therefore, opens to the right. Positive ito. So, paano natin yan ipa-plot? Sa coordinate plane, i-plot natin. Okay? I-graph na natin. So, we all know that P is 7. That is 7, 0. So, i-point natin 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, 7, 0. Ito yung ating focus. And then, we all know that the vertex, we are in the vertex at 0, 0. So, andito yung vertex natin. So, saan naharap? Tandaan ninyo na si parabola laging nasa loob niya si focus. Laging nasa loob. Hindi pwedeng si focus nasa labas. So, therefore, saan natin iharap yung parabola? Pag ganito ba o pag ganun? Siyempre, pag ganun. Therefore, ganito yung itsura ng ating parabola. Maliwanag, ito yung vertex and this one is our focus. Ang focus natin is 7, 0. And then the vertex is at 0, 0. Kasi nasa vertex at 0, 0 pa tayo. Wala pa tayo sa vertex at HK. Mamaya, HK tayo. Ano yung HK? Any number na malagay dyan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or so on. Negative 1, 2. And then, ano yung sinasabi mong directrix? Yun yung, dahil ang P natin is 7, yung kabaliktaran niya is negative 7. So, mabaliktad tayo. Always, tandaan nyo, yung vertex natin is always behind the directrix. So, therefore, negative 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, nandito yung ating directrix. This is what we call the directrix. So, ang directrix natin is x is equal to negative 7. Opposite ng ating P. Okay? Ganyan yung itsura ng ating parabola. At yung ginamit natin equation is opens to the right or left lang yan. Dahil positive yung P natin, nasa right. Opens to the right. Lobat na. Tapos mo.
Alam ko na yung directrix, kabaliktaran ng focus.
Laging behind the vertex siya. Depende nandun. Tapos, yung
ang pag ng directrix.
ganyan. Broken lines. Parang ganyan. Dito yung vertex, andito yung focus lagi nasa loob. Next example
Bakit x is equal to 7? Hindi, d.
Negative 7. X is equal to...
Directrix.
Pwede rin. Pero x is equal to negative 7 kasi nasa x-axis ka. X is equal to negative 7.
D. Ano
Directrix.
Ano ng directrix?
Ulo.
Sulat mo lang directrix.
X is equal to ganyan na. X is equal to negative 7 ang directrix. Directrix is negative 7. Sample number 1 nila po man. Isis yung electric pan kayo. Ay, wow.
Paano kapag kunwari, di ba may mga number na?
Mamaya pa yun sa
kunwari nga,
center.
dito na yung
Oh, yun yung
Tapos yung
yun yung vertex at HK na yun. Mamaya pa yun. Wala pa nga tayo dun. Isa-isa lang.
Gusto ko na agad eh.
Yo.